I'm a nurse by profession. Currently, I'm working as a medical representative. Part-time model din ako. And then, I'm doing AIM Global part-time din. So, paano ako na-involve sa ganitong business? When I was reviewing sa nursing namin and preparing for the board exam, yung mismong professor namin, marami siyang naka-display na products na AIM Global. So, na-curious ako, anong meron doon? So, nag-conduct siya ng business training and then hindi kami umattend. And then after board exam, na-invite ako, naghanap ako ng opportunity na pwede kong i-part-time. And then, dito sa Ortigas, may nagbigay ng flyers. And then, sabi ko, i-drop ko yung opportunity na yan. And then, nung nakita ko yung mismong business and the system, nagustuhan ko siya, ginawan ko agad ng paraan, and then, nag-join ako sa AIM Global. And then, right now, sobrang daming blessings na dumating nung nag-join ako ng AIM Global. Napakalaki na ng grupo ko sa Saudi, sa Singapore, sa Italy, and then, ginagawa na ng buong family namin yung business. And napakasaya kasi nitong darating na March 2, awarding ng Silver and Gold Executive, isa ako sa aakyat. So, ngayon, sa lahat ng hindi pa member, hold on your dreams, hawakan niyo yung mga pangarap niyo dahil sa AIM Global, everything is possible. Kung nangyari sa amin yung mga pangarap namin, kung naging successful kami, I'm sure magiging successful ka rin. Dahil dito, sama-sama nating abutin ng tagumpay. Power!
Hi guys, good morning. I am Aiza Marie Loria, a nurse by profession, but right now I am a business advocate. I was invited in this kind of business no 5 days before my flight going to Dubai. But sabi ko, nung umattend ako ng seminar, I have to decide kung mag-i-AIM global ba ako or mag-a-abroad going to Dubai. So, at that time, 3 days before my flight, sabi ko, it's time for me to hold on to my team. So, nag-AIM global po ako. I sacrifice everything. These 50,000 to 70,000 na sahod sa Dubai, I sacrifice it all. And ngayon, I'm doing AIM global for almost a year na. And kumikita na. Malaki-laki na rin kita and malaki-laki na yung grupo. Most of my group outside the Philippines. So, mostly international po kami. So, 2 years from now, I am seeing myself na nagbabakasyon outside, travel with the family, then with my siblings, yung sa mama ko, yung papa ko, and then my own family na rin siguro. So, kayo na hindi pa nga member, please advise ko sa inyo, kung nagdududa pa rin kayo, guys, ang dami-dami ng nagiging successful in this kind of business. Please, pagdudahan niyo po ang inyong duda. And then, be courageous enough to face your fears. Kasi pag hindi kayo nagiging courageous, game is over. Kailangan natin maging matatag, kailangan natin maging matapang. That's all.
Hello, good morning. I'm Dr. Lori De La Cruz. I'm a doctor by profession. Actually, nag-introduce ako sa product 2 years ago. Meron lang aking medtech sa clinic, dahil constipated siya for the past 3 years. So every now and then, may use sa akin ng gamot for constipation. Then one day, that was in 2011, excited siyang dumating sa clinic, binigay sa akin yung C24/7. Sabi niya sa akin, Doc, ang ganda-ganda nito, try mo. Pwede i-share ko sa'yo. So sabi ko naman, there's nothing wrong kung makikinig ako. So sabi ko, okay, sige ka ko, you can show it to me. So pumunta sa clinic sa akin yung isang nurse and a musician, so inutuloy sa akin yung product. So ang nangyari, sabi ko, pagbibigyan ko lang, kaya lang sobrang ganda ng product. So sabi ko, pwede ko siyang itry, baka totoo. So, ginamit ko yung product, and yun pala the reason ba't ako umuo. So, 3 days after, mother ko kagad ang nag-benefit doon sa product, kasi ang mother ko is a stroke patient. So, ang nangyari, every now and then, nagsisissue yung mother ko, susumpungin siya ng stroke, usually yan, mga 3 to 5 days bago siya makarecover. When I used the product, ang nangyari, in just a matter of 14 hours, ang mother is nakarecover kagad, nakalakad, and ang ganda-ganda ng effects sa kanya. So, ang ginawa ko, instead of using the synthetic vitamins, ang ginawa ko, nagpalit lang ko ng product, which is organic, natural binita ko lahat ng sa pasyente ko. So, ang nangyari, ang daming result na maganda hanggang marami pang tulong patients. And di lang pala gano'n, nakakatulungan sa patients at the same time, maganda yung nabibigyan sa kanilang opportunity. So, ang nangyari, 6 months after, there was a promo, the Hong Kong trip. I hit the Hong Kong trip when I was doing the business part-time. And 1.5 years after, nakakatuwa kasi still I'm doing the business part-time. Again, I hit the Singapore trip. And then, imbes na hindi naman sa mag-inspire lang po, yung pinahit ko po yung car ko, first brand new car ko po sa Global, it's a Orlando Chevrolet 2013 model. And yung highest position po, which is Global Ambassador, nakuha ko rin po during the business part-time for 1.5 years. Napakaganda po ng product, it's so good, sana i-try din po nyo. At the same time po, and the business opportunity is so good din po. Sana po, makita tayo so I can share it to you someday.